PD6B, AW, ARM. By adding a pair of 5-axis robotic arms to PD6B's 20 kg max payload platform, the PD6B AW-ARM can work in high places, collect dangerous materials, and ship cargo to remote areas. The robot arms can carry a max load of approximately 10 kilograms and fly for 30 minutes, making it suitable for long operations. A sophisticated algorithm maintains the drone's stability as its center of gravity shifts when using the robot arms. ProDrone possesses an unrivaled combination of sophisticated robotics technology and drone engineering innovation. We provide your services and application development with PDBR. As drones have become increasingly sophisticated, they are being fitted with heavier and more expensive equipment. At ProDrone, we have developed an airbag to protect Regal lasers and other such expensive equipment. When the acceleration sensors detect an anomaly, the airbag is deployed within 0.1 seconds. We protect your valuable equipment from the threat of damage.
This is Vabroom, a smarter way to clean your floors. No more dustpans or bulky vacuums required. With Vabroom, just sweep dirt and debris into a pile, then tilt to the side. The pressure-activated nozzle quickly and easily cleans up any mess. When done, just empty right into the trash. Bombs away. No more dustpan lines or sweeping under the rug. Vabroom is powered by a 14,000 RPM motor to suck up any debris on contact. Okay, almost any debris. Yet weighing just 30 ounces, it's easy to maneuver and handle for those hard-to-reach places. The intelligently designed nozzle makes for simple and ergonomic use, while also maximizing suction so you leave nothing behind. Whether it's a mess made by the children, your pets, or yourself, Vabroom has you covered. Even for those big messes, Vabroom can vacuum up to a cup of debris at a time. Battery operated, there are no messy cords, and it hangs for easy storage. Vabroom, cleaning your floors the smart way.
世界で初めて押し通し曲げ方式のパイプベンダーをうちが作ったんですけれども、パイプの径ギリギリの台数っていうのがあって、この台数を要はプログラムでコントロールするということによって3次元に自由曲線で曲げられるっていうのが最大の特徴ですね。で従来のベンダーっていうのは金型はもう曲げ半径っていうのがもう固定してるやつを取っ換え引っ換え交換しながら曲げていくっていうやり方ですけれども、うちの機械っていうのはもう曲率を連続的に変えながら、自由自在に曲線が曲げられるっていうのが最大の特徴ですね。継ぎ目なくもう一本長く曲げることができますんで、そこにも着目されて、で家具屋さんはもう結構3次元の自由曲線を使ったモダンな椅子、デザイン化された椅子っていうのをもう作るっていう目的がはっきりしておりまして、そこにぴったりフィットしましたので、まずそこのお客さんが多かったと。丸パイプを自由曲線に曲げるっていうところが例えば自転車で、流行しましたと。でその時代にはもう自転車メーカーさんがこぞってうちの機械を導入されて、パイプベンダーの押し